hey guys, so it's a new day and I'm going on the road. Well, we're going on the road and we're gonna go to this Caribbean store because I need to get some Jamaican ingredients. Yeah, because I need to cook some rice and peas and chicken, and I need some Jamaican seasoning, and I don't know what else. Maybe like some Alaska, you know, some Jamaican food, some Jamaican snacks and so on. So yeah, we're going to the Caribbean market or Caribbean store. Yeah, so you guys coming with us. So the store that we found is called 𝐥𝐤𝐤, J-A-N-O, 𝐥𝐤𝐤, like 𝐥𝐤𝐤, you know. So anyways, I hope that they have the stuff that I'm looking for. Like I want some seasoning, like Maggi seasoning. I want coconut milk, red peas, Lasco, them someday, some Grace products and so on. So I hope that they have it. Alright, so I made it here. I'm trying to find the Jamaican section. Let me see. All these stuff be looking like American stuff. Jesus candle, okay. I need to see some Grace or something. All purpose. I'll probably get some all purpose seasoning or something. Let me go around here. Like seriously, there isn't much in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this sucks. Yeah, I don't see anything that I want. Yeah, it doesn't look like a Jamaican. I typed in Jamaican store, Jamaican grocery store, and this is what came up. But for red beans, this is too big for me. Yeah, it's too much peas. Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna get red beans. Can you hold this for me? Okay, so at least I don't have to think about red beans. One nice thing to think about. Alright, so this is all we're getting, this and the powdered seasoning. Guys, I saw plantain. So we're getting plantain, like maybe 2 or so. Wonder how much for one. So we got garlic naan over here. We got cheese naan over here. Cheese naan over here. And we got, what's that? What did you get over there?
Chicken tikka masala.
And this is, do you remember the name?
Chicken pupudu.
So this is a new thing that I've never tried it before, but I decided to go for something new. So yeah, let's hope that it tastes good. Put it on the plate. It's okay. I prefer butter chicken over this. Yeah, it's okay. We couldn't even eat all of the food because it was so much, so we got some to-go boxes. But before we left that area, there is a cinema on the same mall as the Indian restaurant, so we went there and we watched Black Adam. It was a pretty decent movie, you know, so you guys should check it out if it's something that you're into. But anyways, today was an epic fail when it comes on to the Jamaican grocery store. So tomorrow we're actually going to go to another one, but this one is much further away. It's in Maryland, so I hope that it will not be a complete disaster, because that would just be a waste of time and everything. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow.